In this video, we're talking about the DJI Mavic Pro shoulder bag, or bag to hold your whole system right here. So pretty cool, good leather bag. This first flap right here, you've got a zipper right here. You can hold just about anything you want, any wires, memory cards, anything like that. On the sides, you've got these mesh pockets. They're kind of thin. This is where I hold batteries, extra batteries for the Mavic. Okay. On the back, looks like you can put your belt through here, so you can put this right on your hip. But you know, you may not want to do that. You have a strap as well to hold over your shoulder. Can take these clips off right here if you're going to do the belt feature. Okay, so the first thing is you can flip this up, and well, let's go to this first. This front pocket has some good room. I've got extra propeller blades in here, so it's got decent enough room to hold all that, any other charger components, anything like that, accessories. Okay, we'll close that up, and then the main section right here is right where you will hold the drone. You've got a main zipper mesh pocket up here where you can hold more memory cards, any other tiny accessories, anything like that. And then you've got your drone spot, a bigger hole on the right side, and you know, it holds the whole drone, as well as I've even got this front cover for it as well. On the left side, you've got your controller, and I actually think, you know, you can go left or right. This actually centerpiece just moves over. We've got a cord down here. Okay, so you can go left or right for wherever you want. But that is the basics of this over the shoulder bag or hip bag to hold your Mavic Pro. It's got all the storage that you need and everything that you don't. Nice, good, strong handle. Got a Mavic logo right there on the top. But that is for the DJI Mavic Pro bag. Thanks for watching.